Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will show you how to access store in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website, you have an online store on. Click on this edit website button. I am now inside the website builder, and to access your online store, it's simple. Just click on this down arrow next to website builder and you will see manage store. Click on it. And this is how to access store in Hostinger website builder. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And this is how to access store in Hostinger website builder. From this page, you can see orders, products, products reviews, appointments, discount codes, categories, analytics, and also settings. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.